Hi family, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you our top 3 places in eastern Nigeria that do not feel real. These places can be termed as so good to be true, and if you intend on visiting the eastern part of Nigeria, you should sure visit these places. First on our list is the Oguta Lake. This is a lean finger lake formed by deposits of clay, sand, and salt that dammed the lower Jaba River. It is the largest natural lake in Imo State, southeastern Nigeria. This river is believed to be a mixture of 2 divorced persons in the form of rivers meeting together at a point but never mixing. History has it that these 2 rivers met somewhere at Oguta Lake, with each river having its own name. One of the rivers is called Ogbede, and the other river is called Orashi. These 2 rivers have 2 different colors that are distinct. One looks brownish and the other looks greenish, like you can see. The 2 rivers flow along the same path, but they never mix. And it is believed that even if water from these rivers are put together in a container, it can never mix. Guys, have you been to Oguta Lake before? Let us know, what are your thoughts? Is this a place you plan on visiting? And if you've watched till now, you've not clicked the subscribe button, please do well to click the subscribe button so when we upload videos, you'll get to see it. Second on our list is the Amakama wooden cave. This is a famous gigantic tree in southeast Nigeria whose hollow can comfortably house 20 persons. In Uku town of Amakama, in Umuahia South local government area of Abia State, is this famous and ancient tree known as Amakama wooden cave. What makes this cave unusual is the fact that it has a huge hollow that can comfortably contain up to 20 persons. The size of the hollow is not so surprising, as this tree is said to be as old as the ancient city of Amakama itself. Upon our visit, we gathered that the tree dates back to the era of slavery, where it served as a refuge for persons who were fleeing from colonial and slave masters. This wooden cave is located at the village square, so festivals and other town activities are held at this exact point. Another unusual thing about this cave is the fact that it is surrounded by bees, and it is believed that if you come here with any bad intention or you came to perpetrate evil in their community, the bees will chase you out. Thirdly is the hot water well in Akwa that produces water with a temperature between 39 to 49 degrees Celsius. This is arguably the hottest water in Nigeria, coming from a natural source. It is hot enough to make you a cup of tea within seconds, and if you stay in this water for too long, you can get severe burns. The source of this water is a long abandoned well, which mysteriously started producing hot water. It is believed that this water has healing powers, but others argue that the water just has a higher pH value, so it tends to neutralize the body's acidity. Whatever the case might be, there are testimonies of people who have been healed by dipping in injured body parts into this water continuously, or continuously drinking from this water source. Guys, which of these 3 places would you love to visit in eastern Nigeria? Let us know in the comment section. And if you have not, make sure you click the subscribe button and be part of the family. We'll catch you in our next video. Bye.